Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another simple easy recipe for you guys. So go right ahead, subscribe, press that notification bell, and let's get started. So we are going to make some Guinness Punch today, and you are going to love the great taste of this Guinness Punch. It's made with just few ingredients and ready in 5 minutes. So check the description box below and I will be listing all details in there. Okay, the milk that I'm using and the Guinness that I'm using is very cold, but if you want you can still add more ice to yours. All right, so I'm gonna pour everything into here. I did add the milk, as you can see, and this is whole milk. 3/4 can of condensed milk, 1 bottle of Guinness, and this is the stronger version of Guinness because we have two types of Guinness here in the Caribbean. All right, one which is a mild one, I'm using the regular Guinness, some grated nutmeg, and some cinnamon powder. And anything cinnamon, guys, I love. All right, I'm also gonna be using some mixed essence into this recipe, and at this time you can use a blender, or you can just add all the ingredients into a container like I do. Whisk it up or stir it in, making sure that the nutmegs and the cinnamon powder is well incorporated. And let me tell you something, guys. I have come to realize that once condensed milk is involved, your recipe is bang on. It is quick, simple, and so good. And of course I had to taste before I serve. Okay, so you can see at this time how creamy, smooth, and it's a perfect combination from the bitterness of the Guinness and the sweetness of the condensed milk. I can assure you that 1 or 2 sips will keep you wanting for more, guys. So go right ahead, give this recipe a try, and don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. All right, as you can see, I'm garnishing with some more cinnamon powder. You can't go wrong. You must have a straw to take this down. And oh guys, this is so tasty. Trust me, you are gonna love it. Crush your ice up if you want. I didn't want any more ice into mine, or you can just pour over cubes of ice. And there you have it, guys. Give it a try, enjoy, and bottoms up.